Hi Suraj, how are you?
I'm fine, yaar.
Why are you not coming to Rashmika's marriage?
Yes. No, yaar. Yesterday my mother's health was not good. Went to hospital with my mother.
She is okay now?
Yes, she was fine now.
You missed the village, yeah.
Yes.
There was a very enjoyed. We are.
What happens there?
Yeah.
I are in Rashmika's marriage.
Wow, on red look.
In Rashmika's marriage, everything looks like perfect. In event management, in Rashmika's marriage, delicious foods like all types of food. All
really?
Types of.
Yes, we were.
What are varieties in there?
Like Chinese, bhel pani puri, ice cream, desserts,
And also biryani.
veg and non-veg both are also in there.
I with that.
And last
When I went to go outside the hall, at that point he gives also the pan.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
All things are perfect in that marriage.
You are very lucky.
You miss it.
And you know, that time is Mahesh is so smart, looking so smart.
Oh, yeah.
He saw bride's friend only.
You know the bride's friends are
Bride
princess.
is very
Princess.
beautiful, yes.
I think he's.
And he ignored me that time because he saw every time his bride friends.
But bride's looks like princess. Looks. You see.
Oh, see me? Because.
You see.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Guys, you also see the bride's photos. Oh.
That's why he enjoyed the marriage very well.
Yeah, bride's marriage are delicious marriage.
Yes.
Don't tell me anymore because I feel very guilty.
And there were a bride's friend dance with a foreigner, and we are dance our jinga.
Jinga.
Time.
In that he foreigner's friend or princess like don't dance like yeah. And we are both like jinga. At that we stand here for the welcoming the VIP guest. When VIP guest come in,
And we are welcome.
like me when VIP guest come in, we are.
Mahesh, you know, I noticed that time Mahesh only girls welcome.
Not like that. When we.
An elder person ignore it. I saw that time. Yes.
Not like that.
I know him. He always doing naughty.
Yes.
When VIP guest come in, I like them like hello ma'am, hello sir, welcome. When princess come, welcome. Welcome princess like that. But we enjoyed. You miss it, yaar. You both miss it.
You know, bride is 3 types makeup also.
Wow.
Yes, one type is a princess makeup, and middle type, between time is bride looks, and last time is
Maharashtrian traditional.
Traditional.
But
Yes. No worries, sorry.
But in that bride side's girls and bride side friends was also good, yeah. You
We
see,
were very enjoyed.
you see.
You see.
Yeah.
Bride side guys, you also see the bride's friends. Bride's friends. But in that marriage, we felt in the marriage like feelings. Everything is perfect in that marriage. Event management, everything. No one's like Rashmika's marriage.
And
No one, never.
Rashmika's parents very purchase hall decoration and married hall. Guest comes. Very purchases Rashmika's parents.
You missed that, bro.
Yes.
Oh, don't tell me anything. Please stop, yaar. I think very bad.
You missed it, yeah, bro.
Don't worry. Next time.
I will check.
No, next time.
Bad luck, Suraj.
He is the one.
I will come definitely in your marriage.
But my marriage is not like that now. Rashmika's marriage is only
But he
Rashmika's
was-
marriage.
Yes, he married is not Rashmika coming.
We missed
There is,
that.
I know you like Rashmika, but
Yes.
She was my crush, yaar.
oh,
But I am very happy for her because she was happy.
you are happy for her because you are happy.
She was
इसकी खुशी में ही मेरी खुशी है.
yes. I think I should come to Rashmika's marriage.
Yeah,
But
you
I
should
can't,
definitely.
Yes.
I could not come.
You use only reason.
But
He also.
I have no any option. Nah? My mother's health was
Yes,
not good, so I think
we
this
are
is.
told, we was told your mother only normal favor.
I will
She was a very normal favor.
I will tell
And
Rashmika.
your mother is also told you go to Rashmika's marriage.
We will go to the Deepika's marriage
Yes.
and enjoy it.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you fear to get engaged in conversations? Afraid of stage? Due to this, losing big career opportunities? Then we are here for you. Oxbridge Spoken English Academy. Feel the fluent speaking. Basic grammar, spoken English, stage courage, personality development. Then hurry up. What are you waiting for? Oxbridge, your search for spoken English training ends here.